What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Spring Summer 26 Week 3 live cop. So last week was week 2, but I mean, I remember back in the day when the second week used to be like week 1.5 and it was just dropping the shoes. But I guess last week was week 2. We did get the shoes. I didn't make a video about it because it was literally just the shoes dropping and they sat on the site for like 20 or 30 minutes. So that didn't really seem like it needed to be a video. So we're here with week 3. I thought there was going to be a collaboration, but there is not. I mean, unless you count the Playboy being the collaboration, but I'm not really counting that as a collab for this week. So it's a bit of a light week. I mean, it's not the best week in my opinion. There are a few things that I do want to go for though. That classic logo hooded sweatshirt is dropping, and I did say in my preview video that I did like that. I'm not 100% sure if we're going to go for it. I do like the pink one. I do like the black one. Not really for the personal. I mean, I think that pink is like a little too hot, so I don't think I really want that. I don't know. We might go for that. That's like pretty much the only maybe. The main things that we are going for, and I hope I don't regret this, I do want to try to get the Playboy football tops. I want to try to get one pink one and one black one because they will match the hat. Obviously that is dropping, and that's going to be the second thing we are going for is the hat. I kind of want to get 3 of those if I can. We are going to try to go for the whistle as well, the emergency whistle. And I actually did forget, there is one more maybe. I've been saying this for the last few years. I want to get a polo so bad. I believe this polo is like black and pink. I really think it is. It kind of looks like it, but I also think the navy one might look better. But I think I am going to try to get this. The only problem is, like, if I don't like this, I feel like I am not going to be able to sell this. This is probably one of those items you're going to lose money on, but I do really want this for the personal. Like, I just been wanting a polo. I feel like this was made for me. It's literally pink. So I guess there are actually 2 maybes, with that being the polo and the hoodie. The main targets are just going to be the Playboy top and hat and whistle for this week. We're gonna think about the polo. I do know there is a beanie drop in the cursive beanie. To me, these look like these fit, like, I don't know, I just feel like the fit on this isn't gonna be that great, so I don't think I'm gonna try to go for this. Who knows, I might change my mind if I need free shipping or something like that, but I just don't think I'm gonna go for that. And then lastly, I did want to say that I thought the cutout sweatpants are actually pretty sick. I'm actually like really feeling these, to be honest. They look pretty cool. I don't really need them for the personal, but I did want to mention that I thought they were pretty sick, and they do have the matching hoodie that goes with it. Is that a zip up? I feel like it's gotta be a zip up. Yeah, it's a zip up. Dang, that is actually really cool, but we're not gonna go for that, like I said. So yeah, not the biggest drop this week and not the most exciting drop this week. There's like 4 things we're gonna try to get, so hopefully we can get those. I feel like it should be pretty easy. So before we get into the live cop, if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sutton. We're actually doing a drop tomorrow for Friday the 13th. I haven't even announced it yet. It's pretty much just gonna be a surprise drop. So if that is something you're interested in, make sure you follow us on Instagram and check out all the information in the description down below. You could also follow my store as well at the Storm Factory. All mine, the store, and my brand information will be in the description down below if you want to check any of that out. But all right, let's get into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. We pretty much only got less than a minute left until the drop, so we can real quickly look over everything. So I did end up getting the white pair of these. They haven't got here yet in the mail. I actually did pick these up for the personal too, so hopefully those work out. Yeah, I'm pretty sure too they sat on the website for a while. There's about 5 seconds left into the drop. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be an easy cook. We should be able to get it. Also too, off camera, wow, it just randomly hit. Oh, for a second I thought, oh, there we go. Off camera too, for some reason I thought, dang, you can get multiples of these. Yo, I'm actually trying something crazy, which might have costed me my cart. All right, we're gonna try to get 3 of those. I didn't even realize you could get that many. Changed my mind, like I said. I didn't realize that was black and pink. So here's the hat. I want camo, pink, and then we're going for a big cart. We're going for a big cart, which might be a terrible idea. Where's the polo? Right here. Okay, yes, that is pink. So we're gonna try to get that, and then we only got 2 things left, and it's the football top. I want to try to get this in a small. Wow, already sold out. So I want to try to get that in medium. Already sold out is crazy, so I'm pretty sure I lost the football top. I'm just gonna be honest. That's crazy. I probably did that to myself though, and the knives kind of threw me off. Well, the whistles, they look like a knife. All right, come on, let's try to get through this. Right through though is nice. This could be good. Wow, none of that. Whoa, what is going on here? None of that was working. I wish I could have shown that. That was, yeah. So that did sell out. Expected that. We're just gonna try to get the black. I don't even know what just happened or what is going. Okay, awesome, we get it. I think we might have just lost all the football tops. Oh no, we did get through. Did we get through actually? Okay, we did get black, so we only lost the pink one. I wish I could have showed that on the screen. I feel like I've never seen that before. That every week I feel like I'm saying that. I never seen that pop-up though. That was weird. Probably cost me the whole thing. Let's go back to the new. Is the whole pink? Okay, the whole pink is sold out. So clearly I messed up. The one I got is still there, of course. who got this one? Man, that does suck. I don't even know what size I got that in, but that didn't sell out. I kind of thought too that was gonna sell out, but I guess not. Hats are still there. They should be. Yeah, this is, what was the max on this? You could get 10 of these. That's actually crazy to me. I did not see that coming. I mean, I'm not that upset about the pink top, but I kind of feel like this is what threw me off. I would have had a few extra seconds if I would have went for this instead, but the quantity really messed me up on that. And the sap part is only 4 minutes into the screen recording. We're pretty much done. We got everything that I needed to get. And this is not even getting sold. Okay, so a couple sizes did sell out, but I think it's always that FOMO where like I didn't get it, so now I'm mad. But like if I got it, I wouldn't have been that hyped about it. But I mean, it's whatever. We did get the hats. I think that was everything, right? There's no way I forgot something again, like last week. The poll is gonna be here all season. I don't even need to check that. But yeah, here's the hoodie. Hopefully I don't regret not getting this either. I don't really think this is gonna sell out. These are still here. Okay, so sizes did sell out. As it did sell out. Yeah, now I'm almost thinking too, maybe I should have got more of these, not just 3 of them. The fact that you can get 10, like made me want to get 10. Just threw me off, like I said, but I guess we could end the screen recording here. So that is gonna do it for my spring summer 26 week 3 live cop. And I'm not even gonna lie, I kind of felt a little off my game today in filming. Not like with the quick checkout, just like me as a whole, I don't know. So I do apologize for that. And I hope this isn't your first video of mine that you are seeing. I do have a playlist though with all my other live cops if you want to check any of those out. For my week 1 live cop, I thought that was a really good video. So if you want to check that out, again, that will be in the description down below. Yeah, not too crazy of a week though. We pretty much got everything that I wanted to get except the pink long sleeve. And like I've already said like 5 times in this video, I'm pretty positive I didn't get that because I was so focused on getting sidetracked that you could get so many of the whistles. I didn't know you could do that, but we did get 6 of them in total. So I think that is good. So I'm not really too bummed out about this drop, and we did get the black one. I also forgot what size I got in the black one. Hopefully that was a good size because my original plan was to get small pink, medium black, and I think that did backfire. So hopefully next week's going to be a better drop and hopefully the first actual collab. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm trying to do a video for this every single week. Last week did not count, but let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop and what was your favorite item. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video, and make sure you hit that like button. Thank you guys so much for the support. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram as well as my brand and store will all be in the description down below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.